Today we're gonna unbox my Louis Vuitton right there, guys. So it's a nice day today. Weekend is almost here. If you like unboxing, haul, shopping, you're in the right channel, guys. And thank you for Kypipouch Super Louis fabric, and it's in calf leather. And I don't know what TU means. So anyway, so every time you buy a Louboutin item, it comes in their, I think this is their iconic box, kind of like a limited edition, and this one is not available anymore. I bought this last year, and I think you saw me on my videos. I mean carrying this on my videos, and yeah, I did an unboxing for. So inside the box, it comes with this one, the care booklet, right there. Same description from the outside of the box, and then it says the word, the brand name Louboutin all over red, and same as this one. And now. Each Louboutin item, it comes with this brown protective bag or something, and it's a drawstring one like that. Yeah, my shoes and I have that keyring. I don't know if you guys see that video, and yeah, they all comes in this brown protective case bag, and on the shoe it's drawstring as well. I think everything is drawstring or something. So that is the bag right there, and then this is, should I put like graffiti or something, because look, there's like the bag, see there's like a bag in there, and then it says love in there, and then this one is like their sneaker, and then another bag right there. And yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on this bag. It's like all over the bag. See right there, there's flour, and what else can you see in here? Yeah, there's a lot. Yeah, it's like a graffiti one, so I don't know why they did not put graffiti word on the name of the bag or something. So outside of the bag, it has a pocket right there. Oops, I have something in there. My monkey pouch right there. So yeah, you can keep your cards in here, if you want, so it'll be more safe. But yeah, so anyways, this one have a 2 zipper all over right there, and then the zipper, it says on the zipper, it says here Louis Vuitton, the name, the brand. And then this one is like a red enamel, so the zipper is all the way, you can open it all the way down, whatever you prepare from left to right. And then it also comes with a handle right here if you don't want to carry it on your shoulder, and paper stuffing in it. So by the way, this bag, again, what they are famous for, the bottom of the bag has red thing in it that says Louis Vuitton, the name of the brand right there. And then inside the bag, it's red all over. And I think this for almost a year now. So I really love this bag. And yeah, I don't need to carry wallet because it has credit cards compartment inside, and then there's another pockets in here, you can put your money in there. So there are 1 2 3 4 5, so there's like 10 credit, is it 10? 1 2 3 4, no, 8 credit card slots in there. And then 1 2 3 4 5, sorry guys, 5 credit card slots, so total of 5 each, so it's total of 10 credit card. And then there's also a pocket here on the back The only thing I don't like about this bag is that they don't have a zipper pocket inside, so you can where you can put your coins in it. But yeah, but so far I love this bag, guys. And it says here, I don't know what is it. I cannot read this one, guys. It says Italy. Oop, I saw sorry guys, I saw a squirrel outside. So anyway, it has a word made in Italy. It's right there in the middle. It says here made in Italy, so I don't know guys if you can see it clearly. And then this bag comes with a strap, and the strap, so let me just show it to you guys. Oops. Alright, so this is the strap, guys. It's 24 inches. So there's like the brand Louis Vuitton all over. And then the back of the strap is a red color. And it has this lobster, is that what you call it? Lobster claw. And then it says the brand there, Louis Vuitton. And this one too. And this one is adjustable. You can adjust it to your like all the way like that. And then yeah, so you can put the strap on the sides where you can see the thing in here, the D-ring. So you can just do it like that. And then on the other side, there's the strap right here. So you can adjust it to your liking and how long you want, you know, if you want to wear it all over your, you know, on your shoulder. So anyway, so the bag opens like that for easy access to your credit cards. Then this one, I think it's kind of like, I don't know what material is this. It's kind of like the same as the one in Louis Vuitton bags, guys. So yeah, and calf leather, guys. So anyways, I will show you how I carry this bag. So let's hold on for a moment. Sorry, I don't have any stuff to put in it. Okay, just to guys, so this is my eyeglass case. You cannot close it if you're gonna put it like that, so you have to put it all the way like that. And then this one, well, this one doesn't fit, but it will fit if you want to remove this one. And then what else can your phone can fit in there? A lot. There's like it's very spacious. You can put a lot of stuff inside, you know, small stuff. This is like, you can put it here, and yeah, you don't need to bring a wallet or something, because you can put your credit card in there. So anyways, let me show you how I wear this bag. Alright guys, so this is how I carry this bag. So I always carry it like in front of me for, you know, for security or something. And you can also carry it like that on the side, just like a regular shoulder bag, guys. So yeah, so this one, very convenient. You can open like the zipper like that. See, you can open, and it's not like, you know, this bag is not like so loud, you know what I mean, like, because if you see Louis Vuitton, the regular Louis Vuitton, you know that it's Louis Vuitton. But this one, I don't know if people know this particular, they're only gonna know it when they like come up like closer to you, because there's like you can see when it's close, when the people get close to you, they can see the brand, the name, but it's kind of like, it's because it's dark, you cannot see it unless you like super close, you know. So that's why I like to carry this bag, because I haven't seen any people carrying this bag. And because the Louis Vuitton bag, they're kind of like so loud. And then this one is not available anymore, but you can still check the website. They still sell this. It's not like this one, because this one is limited edition. And yeah, so I bought this one at Neiman Marcus, I think. Yeah, I bought it at Neiman Marcus last year. You know, the regular um, Christian Louboutin website, they don't sell this anymore too as well. And then, look at that, right? Nobody's gonna know what brand you're carrying. That's why I really really love this one. So yeah, leather. So this is gonna be my winter, summer, spring, fall bag, guys. And hopefully, guys, don't forget to like this video, or maybe share and comment. And yeah, so I will see you soon, guys. And again, thanks for watching, and you guys have a good weekend. I'm going shop. I'm going shop.